Okay guys, welcome back. On this episode of Lime with Ling, we're going out. We're liming today and we're gonna be going to the grocery store, and I'm gonna be teaching you a little bit about what I know about picking some really fresh ingredients no matter where you shop, because I'm gonna show you how to pick a sweet version of whatever fruit and whatever vegetable on this episode of Lime with Ling. So let's get going, let's get there.
My name is Chef Ling. I reside in Toronto, Canada, but home will always be Trinidad and Tobago. This has been a long time coming. I've only ever wanted to share my culture through my passion for food. I cannot wait for you to join me on this culinary adventure. Let me go!
Chef Ling here guys, welcome back. And today, like I said, we're at the grocery store. And a simple metro actually. I'm going to teach you or give you my opinion on how to pick some really cool ingredients, because we're going to be making, I hate masks by the way, we're making pepper shrimp on Friday. So we're going to get the ingredients today and I'm going to teach you guys how to make those ingredients, okay? Or how to pick those ingredients. Wow, lots of words there. So for me, I like vine
tomatoes. Now what you want to look for right now, look how vibrant and red these guys are. That is the first sign that they are nice. Now let's go ahead and pick up one of these tomatoes now. This one looks good. Alright, so let's go ahead and put it in the palm of your hand and see if it's like firm. You don't want it to be soft.
See, right?
You don't want it to be too hard.
You want to kind of give it a little scratch and sorry, give it a little scratch and then smell it. Now, what you're looking for is that woodsy smell as well. These things will give you the you're picking a good tomato. So now you know tips for picking those.
Okay, so let's go ahead now and pick some garlic. Actually, there's quite a few tips. Stay tuned. Now look here, these garlics. All of them, they're pretty good, but let me show you how to pick a real cool one. Pick it up and you want to see if it's firm. If it's firm, you know it's not very fresh. Okay, so now also you have to look at the skin. If it's peeling off, it's not fresh, and also if you see any roots coming out, it's not fresh. Now if you see roots at home, don't worry, you can use it, but to buy in its sake, you want to try to get it in a form that it'll last the longest for you.
Well guys, I hope you had an adventure or you had fun on this adventure with me. I am finally finished, and wow, it's different being around people again, to be honest. Follow me through. People. Are you a little scared of them? I know I am. Oh, there's Anya. Okay guys, back to the kitchen, and I'm gonna see you guys on Friday, because guess what? We are cooking pepper shrimp. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for that, and can't wait. Next time on Lime with Ling.
Hey guys, if you guys like the content, please subscribe and give me a comment below. And also, go and check out this how to cook a steak within 30 minutes. Let me know what you think.